Hey guys, this is Matt with Leisureland RV Center. Today I'm here to show you how to properly level and stabilize your travel trailer. When your trailer is improperly stabilized, you will have a lot of movement in the trailer that you can eliminate by stabilizing the trailer properly. Step one today, guys, is to first pick the proper spot to park your unit. The first thing you want to do is identify the most level spot that you've got to park your unit and your camping spot. If you cannot find a level spot for your travel trailer, you can use a product like Lynx Levelers to build yourself a ramp for your low side to be able to back the trailer up and on. Because we're doing this in our parking lot today, this will not be needed. Now that we've picked a good spot to park our travel trailer, we're going to check it from level for side to side. We should have very little variation from side to side once we've picked a level spot. The next step in this process is to properly level your trailer from front to back. You can use a product like Lynx Levelers to give you the proper height needed if you don't have enough rise in your tongue jack. Now we're looking for that proper level from front to back to get this as close as we possibly can. As you can see here, our trailer is very near level from front to back. This is step 3 in the final step of stabilizing and leveling your trailer. It's to lower the stabilizers. The number one issue that we see with lowering stabilizers is people actually trying to level the trailer with their stabilizers. They're not designed to do that. I like to use a drill to get the majority of the work done, and then I like to make sure that there's a constant pressure put on with my hand jack. Repeat this step on all 4 corners. This is how your trailer will act when it is properly stabilized. You'll have very little movement from side to side or up and down. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Matt Black here with Leisureland RV Center. Meet us here again next week for tips and tricks of the RV industry trade. We look forward to seeing you next time. Don't forget to visit us at leisurelandrvcenter.com.
Leisureland RV Center, your adventure awaits.